So when you think you're ready to shoot, where your finger is, press that button. Okay, now slide your finger in on the trigger. And just nice and easy. Hey!
Yay! Wait, what was he trying to do? The little guy.
In the name of
Not much will happen with this for the little guy. The bullet will go right through him. Try ringing the bell if you want.
Wow, that really goes up. Down. Oh, that still goes way up. Maybe if I hit that log.
If your head's too close, slide it back a little bit. No, just slide your head back from the scope. It might give you a clearer view.
Oh yeah, that's much better.
There you go.
Oh. Not so close.
Elias Siebring, please head over there. Please head over here where I'm pointing.
I'm going to push this out just a little bit.
Oh, this is perfect. Why did my toes are cold now? Because my boots are wet.
Well, when you take those boots off, put them down in the, put them on the repair shelf, and Dad will use some of his Gorilla Tape.